It's one of the most photographed places in Los Angeles. A fixture on every top 10 list. And yet most people don't know what they're actually looking at. This is Urban Light. If you're in LA, even for just a day, this is the spot you don't want to miss. You'll find it at the entrance of LACMA, Los Angeles County Museum of Art. It's footsteps away from the Academy Museum, the Peterson Automotive Museum, and the La Brea Tar Pits. And it's centrally located, just minutes away from Hollywood, Beverly Hills, Koreatown, and the Grove. If you're sightseeing, chances are you're already nearby.
Now I believe art should be celebrated just as much as the artist itself.
Urban Light was created by artist Chris Blvd and installed here in 2008. Urban Light's made up of 202 restored street lamps that once lit Southern California cities like Santa Monica, Glendale, and Hollywood back in the 1920s and 30s. Blvd, known for his bold performance art in the 70s, spent nearly a decade collecting and restoring these pieces. His goal? To give everyday civic structures a second life as public art. Urban Light has become the go-to filming location, featured in movies, music videos, and TV shows. It is a hotspot for TikTok creators, photographers, and anyone chasing the iconic LA selfie. If you've seen it online, here's your chance to see it in person. It's open every day and completely free, 24 hours a day, and guarded security on site, day and night. Want the best experience? Visit after dusk when the lights start flickering on. or early morning for the softer light and fewer people. It's a safe place to explore, but as always in any city, stay aware of your surroundings, especially after dark. Hey, thanks for watching. I'm Paul Overacker, and this spot's for Hollywood from the Inside. Whether you're trying to break in or just visiting, this is the entertainment capital of the world, and we want you to be entertained. If there's a location you want us to cover next, drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And while you're here, check out one of these other videos we think you'll like.